Right. So people, welcome all of you for this 2 days live workshop on business intelligence using Power BI. So today is the second session. Okay. All right. So first what we'll do is we'll just see what all things, what all topics we'll be covering in today's session. Okay. The first thing is we'll see how we can design a dashboard. That is right from background images, how to create icons, and then how actually we can save the particular image what you have created, or say the design what you have created as a PNG file or JPEG file. Then after that, let's also understand about the reporting techniques. That is how we can actually use the visualizations. In the previous session, I just showed you about all the visualizations. So in this dashboard, what we create, so we'll see how we can actually use the reports which are available. That is the visualizations. Then after that, I'll also give you some guidance on PL300, how to prepare for your PL300. And people who are there till end, then I'll be giving you some bonus that is there. I'll give you that in the end. Then for all the participants, there will be a certificate, which is certificate of participation. Okay, right. So this we take the attendance and then we'll be giving this certificate, because I don't want to give to everyone. This is for the people who have participated only. So people who are there till end, and I'll be asking you a few questions as well. So people who actually attend, then they'll be getting this certificate of participation. And you can see the bonus here. All these are some of the books which I actually keep referring. So these books are very costly. I'll be giving you these books along with the supporting file, which you can actually work on that, so that you'll get more experience and more examples will be there to work on this Power BI and get more knowledge as well. Okay, right. So let's go with the topics. The dashboard designing. So here I'll teach you how to work on the background images to create, and how we can actually use these icons and the shapes, the text boxes, and all this, how actually we can use in the layouts of dashboard design. Right. Let's go to the folder. So here I have a folder. So the files what I used the previous session and today. So all these will be combined and I'll be giving it to you today. Okay. All right. The background images. Let me just open this. Many of the people actually work on the Power BI. So what happens? They'll directly go, they'll start working on the Power BI. They'll create all the visualizations. That's it. They're not bothered about the designs. But I'll tell you, people also concentrate on the designs. The reason is when someone see your dashboard, they should feel very good. They should feel very nice. It shouldn't be like a normal report, because those normal reports anyone can create. But if you want to create a very nice modernized dashboards, okay. So how to do that? Many of them actually feel that it is very difficult, very complex. Or some people actually tell that I'm not from the graphics background, or I don't know how to create all these images. Okay. So let me ask people one question. How many of you are actually from graphics background here? How many of you know about the graphics, say Photoshop, Corel Draw, or something? How many of you are there from that background? None of you? Okay. Fine, no worries. For this kind of dashboards, what we're actually trying to create, or say dashboard design, you don't have to be master in Photoshop or Corel Draw or any of the photo editing tools. You just need to know about the PowerPoint. Most of the people actually ignore PowerPoint. They think that why PowerPoint? Because we are so technically strong, then why should we actually learn PowerPoint or Word or Excel? People, I'll tell you, the Word and the PowerPoint are also equally important for creating reports, documentations as well. All right. So what we'll do, people online, am I not audible? I think Naren is saying that I'm not audible. So others, can you hear me clearly? Please confirm. Naren, please check your speakers. Please check your speakers once. Okay. Right. So, okay. Right, people. Done, done. Okay. Right. So I told you about the PowerPoint. Okay. If you want to create a design, a background image, What I'll do is I have one PPT file which I'll be sharing it with you later after the session. You can see that here I have the images here. Can you see that? These are the images what I've created in PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. So these images, say you can see this image, right? This background image. So you can see this design. See, it is very easy to create. We just have to trace it out. I'll show you how to trace this. See, most of the people actually ignore this. The thing is, they think that it is very complex or say time consuming. It is not at all time consuming. It is very easy to create. I'll show you how to create. So what I've done, I've collected so many designs like this. So you can use any of this and you can start creating the report. See how neat it looks actually. So some people, what they do, they'll just create only the visualization. That's it. They're not bothered about the designs. But I'll tell you people, when you actually give some good designs like this I've collected from, some website itself. Okay. So I've taken this from some websites and I've used it. Now, there is a question here saying that can we use Canva? People, you can use any, see, you can use Photoshop, you can use anything. I'm not telling that you have to use PowerPoint only. PowerPoint, why? Because it is easily available, with the MS Office what they have installed. So for that, again, say when I say Canva, then again you have to go and take the free version. In the free version, you don't have all the options. You can create in Canva also. I'm not telling you cannot create, but in PowerPoint, it is already available. Full version is available. You can use it. If you are using Canva, there is no issues. You can use Canva as well. If you want to use CorelDRAW, Photoshop, or any other photo editing tool also, it is fine. There is nothing wrong. You can use any softwares which helps you in creating JPEG or PNG image. Right. So what I'll do, I'll take one design. Okay, see here. This is the dashboard which I've already created. So what we'll do is we'll take this as our base and we'll try to create a dashboard like this. So for this, I have used, this is one image. This is the logo. This is an image. And here you can see I've used some icons here. So how to create these icons? I'll show you how to create the icons. And you can see the design here. So this is the background image what I've created. So what we'll do, we'll try to create this kind of background. Right? How to do that? Let me first tell you how to trace. Okay, let me first minimize this. And let's take this. Okay, so I'll just one. People, 1 minute. Give me a minute. Okay, so I'm taking this design. So we call it as tracing. What is tracing? So exactly whatever is there, we're just trying to copy it and we'll try to make the design. So people, I'll tell you, it is left to you whether to take the same design or you take one design and try to, create something like that. So it is left to you. So what I'll do, I'm taking this design. So this might be copyrighted. So what I'll do, I'll not use this image. So I'll create my own image. So how to create that? Say, first thing is, take any of this image. What I'll do, I'll just copy this and let's go here to a new PowerPoint file. Okay. See how to trace this. First, try to understand the entire layout. Okay. This is the layout. Let's try to understand. Here you can see the entire, there is one square box. And then I have here some rectangle boxes. All these are rectangle boxes. Very simple to create. How? Let me show you. So what I'll do, I'll just take one more page here. So let it be. So here what we'll do, we'll just try to trace it out. How? Let's say I'll go to this insert. In PowerPoint, go to insert and you can see here I have so many options. Here, what I'll do is I'll go to this shapes. Here we have this illustration group. Click on the shape. You can see I have so many shapes. Using these shapes, I can create so many designs. So what I'll do, because I have this rectangle shape, so I'm just taking this rectangle and I'll create one shape like this, just like this. I'm just tracing now. I'm not, creating my own. I'm just tracing. Now this one, I want this color. How to match the color? I don't know. The color code for this, I don't know. So don't have to bother. Then how to get the same color? So what I'll do, I'll go here, go to this picture format, and here I have this, here I have the shape format and I have the shape fill. Select this, I have this eyedropper. Click on this eyedropper and select any color like this. See? Can you see that? Yeah. So I'll just keep it here like this, above that, and right click, and I'll say send it back. Now one design is done. Okay. Now I want this rectangle. So what I'll do, again, I'll go to this insert and shape. Instead of that, we can also do one thing, because already I've taken this. So same size, I'll go here, I'll remove the outline, no outline, so that I don't have the outline. I will say Control C and Control V. I have one more copy and I'll reduce this like this. So you can keep it here like this. I will change this to black color, or I can use this eyedropper and select this. Kusuma, this is PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. Okay. So I'll keep it here like this. Done. Done. So this is also done. Now for these squares, what I have here. So what I'll do, I will hold Control Shift and I can drag to make a copy. And then I'll reduce this. See, I'll keep it like this. I'm telling you, I'm just tracing this. Now I want 4 boxes here, right? So what I'll do, I'll just, move it a little bit like this. And then we'll take Control Shift and I'll drag it like this. Just keep it here like this. See? Done. Now I need to give the colors here. So what I'll do, select this shape, go to shape format, and then I'll take this eyedropper and click here. Sorry. Eyedropper, click on this. Done. Now select this shape, the eyedropper, and click on this. Select this eyedropper and select this. Let's do the same thing for all the shapes. Done. Over. Now select all these shapes and I'll try to align this. Done. Now I will send it back. Why I'm sending it back is so that it not disturb other shapes. Now it'll be, for me, it will be free. Right. Next, I want these squares. Can you see that white rectangles? Again, hold Control Shift, drag this and keep it here like this and try to adjust. It's a white color. So I'll go here and I'll say eyedropper, I'll take white color. Done. If you think I want to give some borders, you can also give borders. I'll go here. I'll take one light color border like this. See? I want a shadow. Say if you want, you can give shadow like this. Can you see that? The shadow here. We can go and explore. There are a lot of things, a lot of options are available. Just go and select here. See, I got this shadow. Done. Now hold Control Shift, drag it. Say, keep it here, and I'll keep it here, and this one will keep it here. See? Done. Now I have these boxes. Anyways, we already had these boxes here, right? So we'll take that later. So here I have these white boxes. I'll just go here and I'll keep it like this. 1, 2, and 3. See? Done. So we'll ignore this because if you want, we can take it. Later on, we'll see if there are any reports to be created, then we'll take that. So what I'll do, I'll select all these white boxes and I'll just send it back. Right? Now you see this, I had these boxes, right? So we can take that, say send it back. This one also I'll send it back. Now let me take this. Say bring it front. Yeah. We can select this and trace it. See? And if you think, I'll just increase it because I want the reports to be more bigger. So it's not that should be like that only. Depending on your reports, you can trace it. Or I'll just take it something like this. Make it one more shape, control, shift and drag. So that you'll get in the same line. Done. Now I need to change the color. So this is green color. Already we have selected the colors, right? So we can go to the shape format. And if you go here, see, already the colors will be available here. Let me click on this. The green color. Then I'll say the orange color is there. Then I'll go here and take this. See how quickly we could actually trace the design. All right. Now, let's say I want to do this as well. So what I'll do, let me just send it back. And this also I'll send it back. I have this white color thing. Okay. Let me send this back. Yeah. So I'll take this and I'll keep it here like this. And one more. We'll take like this. And if you want this color, then we can just take one shape and I'll make one more copy of it. People don't switch on your camera and then select this and change the color. Eyedropper and select this. Done. Select and go. Okay. So all the shapes are done. Now, if you just see this, can you see there is one image in the backend? So I want that image. How to get the image? I'll tell you. Go to this insert, and here I have this icons. Let me click on this icons. Click on this icons, I'll get so many options to install or say insert the icons. Here I want the image now. I'll go to this image. So whichever image you want, you can just take that. I'll say corporate. Let me take. I'll just take some reporting kind of thing. Okay, let me take this only. Okay, just take some random image. I'll just take this. So I'll not waste much time in just selecting the image. So we can just keep it somewhere here like this. Okay, and you can reduce this like this. You can keep the image and then I'll just try to crop. Here we have this crop. I'll go here. Just crop it exactly like this. Till this image like this. Okay, done. Some image I've taken. I'll just send it back. Select this shape. Right click and say format shape. Just see here, I have this fill. Here I have this transparency. Just give some 40% transparency. Okay. Now what I'll do, now the design are done. Now I will copy this, put it here, I'll delete this shape. Okay. Now we have to do some alignments here. So these shapes should come on top. This one. This, let's send it back. Here, this one, I'll just try to adjust. Go here, we'll try to align, say bottom. Done. This one, all these shapes, I'll say bring it front. See? Simple. So you don't have to bother. Everything is very simple. You can just go trace it out. That's all. Suppose if you think I don't have, do the same say design, try and understand some 3-4 designs and see what designs you can actually do. Done? Okay. Also, you can go to my YouTube channel. I've made so many designs like this. How to make these designs? There are so many designs. You can check there as well. I'll send you all the links today for my YouTube channel, Instagram channel. You can go and you can follow there as well. Okay. Done. Okay. So people online, how did you feel about this design? Is it easy? Is it interesting? Quickly, I want you to answer. Don't take much time because a lot of interesting things are there. How did you feel about this background image creation? Interesting. Good. Now I want all of you, okay, all of you here afterwards, whenever you're doing any Power BI projects, just like that, don't do all these simple designs. Go for these kind of designs and then start creating the reports. Reports are same, but the way you make it more attractive is what is important. Okay. Right. Okay. Raju, you can go to my YouTube channel. I'll give you the YouTube channel link. Okay, there are so many you can learn there because this is 2 hours workshop. So I have to finish a lot of other things as well. So it will take a lot of time to design. Okay, so I'll give you my YouTube channel link. Please go and subscribe there. You'll get many designs like that. I'll just give you if you want. This is my YouTube channel link. Okay, people. Go and check there. You'll get a lot of designs. Right. So people, we have done the background image. But can you see that we also had, some icons here. Okay, there are some icons. So what are these icons? Icons are nothing but they are some small images which will help me in, understanding about what we are trying to give the reports or to show the reports. There are different ways. One is I can create the icons and save it and then I can insert in the Power BI itself. Or since here I don't have anything to change, I can directly insert here as well. So that is left to you. So however you want, you can actually do. So what I'll do is I'll try to insert the icons here only in the background image itself because here I don't want to make it dynamic. How to insert icons? Now let's say I'll go here to this insert and here I have this icons. Now, people who are actually asking about various different other tools, Canva, Photoshop, Corel Run, all will not get all these things, or we have to go and keep searching. Here in PowerPoint, everything is readily available. See, you want images, PNG images are readily available. You want stickers? There are so many ways, thousands of stickers are available. See, videos if you want. Okay, see, all these are videos. You can create, wonderful designs in PowerPoint itself. That kind of, see. Last time I created all the New Year greetings and all by using this one in PowerPoint. You can do that. See. So many things are there. Let me come to this icons. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll say analytics. Let's see. See. I'm getting so many icons. Let me just insert. Okay. Randomly I'm inserting. I'm not going to search for the relevant images because it will take a lot of time. I want 4 icons. I'm selecting one. Then let's say we'll take, say this one. Let's say people. Let's see. We have people. Yeah, we have these people. Let's say I'll take. Okay, let me take this. Then I'll say settings. Let me take this. Insert. So 4 icons got inserted, right? Now what I'll do, I will take these icons and I'll keep it here. Say 1, then I'll say 2, 3, and 4. Okay, they're not aligned properly. I'll do that. So what we'll do, we'll select all this together. Always, do this. Don't resize one by one. So I'll select this, this, and this. Okay. So all these 4 icons. We'll try to hold shift and then reduce it. So we'll have same size. Done. Now I'll take this one and keep it here. I will make it white color. Go to this graphics fill and say white color. Now select this, keep it here and say white color. Select this, we'll keep it here and say white color, and this one white color. Done. So all my icons are ready. Done. Okay. All right, let me just this slightly. Yeah. All right. Now my icons are ready. If you think wherever the icons are necessary, you can go and you can take and put the icons. Right. Now I want the logo. The logo, I have one logo here. Where is that? Here. Where did I keep my logo? Okay. See, I have my company logo here. People, let me tell you one more thing. If you open this, I'm getting this logo. Okay. Most of the people, what they do is they will take a JPEG image and then put. Now, what is the difference between JPEG and PNG? This also is very important. Okay. So you don't have to, master all this. I'll just tell you what is JPEG and. So the icons will be here. Okay. Go to this insert and icons here. People. And also this recording will be given. People, please go and you can watch again. Okay. If you missed anything. And that's why I'll always tell you people, please don't work parallelly. You will miss the steps. Okay. All right. So I was talking about JPEG and PNG. JPEG means what happens, the image will not have a transparent background. When I actually put any image with the JPG, okay, the background image will be white color or any other color which will cover. Then it looks like a patch. But PNG means we'll have the transparent background. Let me show you. So I'll go here to this design and let me drag and drop, or we can say insert. I'll just try to drag and drop. If it is not coming, see, drag and drop. You can see that. Can you see that? It's transparent. If it was JPEG, then it would have been white background. Then it will cover. It won't look good. See, if I keep it here, now it looks good. Like this. And suppose if you think this is very small, say, for icons, you can still increase this. So let's see what I'll do. Just keep it like this. Let me increase this little. The image, I will crop it till here like this. And then this one, I'll try to increase. Why I'm doing this is because if you feel that the menus, whatever is there, see. Now, this is my background image. You can do this even in Power BI as well, the image insertion, the icons. But if you think that these things are not changing, put it in the image itself so that you can copy and paste in every other sheets. Right. Now, my background image is done. The next step is I need to save this as an image, background image, where I can use this in my Power BI. Right? How to save this? Say, select all the shapes, right click, And here I have something called as save as picture. Click on save as picture. I will select my folder. So have this habit as well. Try to create folders, background image, logo, or any other files, data files. So what it will happen is, when you do like that, it is easy for you to go and check where I have the images, where I have the icons. Okay, that is the good practice. Now I'll go here. I am copying this particular path and I'll give here. So here what I'll do, I'll say Power BI workshop background image. You can give any name and you can see that it's PNG or JPEG, anything you can save. Usually I save it as PNG because it will have more clarity. Let me save this. Done. My image is ready. Isn't it easy? Yeah. Okay. Now I'll go here to this Power BI and I'll take a new file. We take a new file. Opening people, 1 minute. Power BI is slightly slow, so you need to have patience. Okay. Right. So a new fresh Power BI is open. Now, how to bring that particular image here? Okay. Now, you have to understand few things. This is called as canvas. So what you see the dotted line here. Here we have three windows: report view, table view, and modeling view. Okay. If you go to this report view, we get this canvas. This is where we actually create all our reports. Now, in this canvas, so what I'll do, I'll try to bring that image what we just created. How to bring that? Say, I'll right click and here I have this format canvas. If you're not opened your format canvas, say here, I already have the format canvas open. But suppose if it is not open, it is not there. Either I can go to this view and here I can use this format. Say I'll remove this. See, I don't have the format. This selection. See, what I can do, I can go and click on this. I'll get the format pan. Otherwise, right click and say canvas. Done? Okay. Can you see this? I have this canvas background. Here I have this browse. Click on this browse and here I will select the one what we just created. This is the one what we created. Select this and say open. Done. It is done. Where is it? Right? So we just inserted the image. Now where is it gone? Don't worry. See what happens in Power BI. You have this transparency. It is 100% transparency. What is transparency? It is like it is trying to give a transparent, complete. The image has been become transparency here. I will reduce this to 0. Can you see that? Now you might be thinking, what happened? It's like so big. It is not fitting to my particular Power BI project. So what I'll do, I'll go here, see image, say fit and fill. I'll just click on this fit. Can you see this? This fit. Or I can say fill. It'll try to fill this. See? Got it? How easy it is. Now you can see that I have the entire design here. Right? Isn't it cool? Yeah. People online, how did you feel about this? Don't you think it is very easy now to have a very modernized, attractive, innovative dashboards? People? So next time onwards, okay, whenever you are creating any dashboards, try and see, go to website. There are thousands of, designs available. Check any one of them and then try to trace it out. First few tries, you just trace it out. Nothing the problem. You're not using anyone else. This thing. You're just trying to create your own. After a few projects, then you try to design your own. Okay, so don't always try to copy. I'm just showing you this because how to start designing. That's all. Because straight away, if I tell design like this, you might get little confused. So I'm just telling you how to trace it out. Now you're tracing it out. Later on, you try to create your own idea. You try to put your own ideas, innovative ideas, and then you can create your own dashboards. Okay. All right. Good. So now my background is ready. My layout is ready. The next thing is we need to have, say, the data. The next step. The data is what? In the previous session, we saw how to actually import the data. The data can be from any different sources. So what I'll do, I have one data set here in my dashboard. So here in this folder, I have one data set. This is already clean because again, I don't want to go and show all you about how to clean these things. So I'll go here and what I'll do is I'll try to import the data. How to import? We did this in the previous session. So I'll go here, get data and say Excel workbook. Why? Because my project, what I'm doing, the data is in Excel file. If it was in any other data source, I have to go there and I have to select it. Right. So what I'll do, I'll go here to dashboard and I'll select this Excel data. Okay. Right. Then next I'll say, then I'll try to take this data. I'll take this data. I'm telling you, the data is clean actually. I'm taking that, perfect data. So I'll not go to transform data because nothing has to be modified here. I'm just directly taking the data here. Okay. Done. So once the data is there, then we'll start creating the report. See, if you understand the data, creating reports is very, very easy. Now let's go here. Done. Can you see that I have the data here? Okay. So what we'll do, so here already I have created one dashboard. So we'll try to create the similar kind of reports here. Say I have total sales, total profit, total customers, and total orders. Total sales, total profit, customers, and orders. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go back. Here I want total sales. So what is the visualization I've used? I've used card. What is card? Card is nothing but if you go here, I have something called as card here. Can you see that? This will give me the summarized value of the column what I've selected. Let me click on this. See, I got one visualization here. Now what I'll do is, I'll go to this, say, I have this build a visual. Either I can go here and I can click on this or say sales. See, I can just click on this checkbox. Can you see that? I'll get this summarized value. See, this is the overall summarized value. Now, let me minimize this and I'll keep it here. You think it is looking good? Is it looking good? I'm not happy with this because you've done so nice design and keeping this value like this, I don't like. How to modify this? How to modify? Say, in older version, it was very difficult for us. You have to go, you have to search all the options in format and then you have to format. Now you don't have to bother. What should I do? Say, I'll tell you. Say, I want to remove the background. Double click on this. Say, just select this, double click on this. See, it will take me to that particular option where we need to modify. I'll remove this background. When I remove the background, this will become transparent like this. First thing you should do that. Okay. Next, I want to modify this label or say values. Double click on this. See, I will take Arial. Always like Arial because it's a common font everyone will use. and I'll make it as 20 and see, is it fitting? Let me increase a little bit, 24. Enough. Make it bold. Done. Can you see that it says sum of sales? I'm not happy with that. I don't want that category label. I'll remove it. Okay. Now let me reduce this and I'll keep it here. Done. Okay. Now let me keep it here like this. Now this is done. One card is done. I want another card here. Don't again create a new one. Control C and Control V. Keep it here like this. You can see the marker also. So that it will come in a straight line. Now what should I do? I'll go here. The sum of sales. Click on this. I can change this to profit. See. Next. Copy this. Paste it. We'll keep it like this. So this is customers. Now I'll go here and I will say we have customer ID. Okay. I'll take this customer ID. And if you see here, I'm getting this AES. Customer ID is a text. How will I actually take the summarized value there? Can I take the summarized value? No. What should I do? See, this is why many people actually think that I have to go write DAX functions, measures. Don't break your head so much. I'll tell you what you have to do. Say, we'll go here. Can you see that? It says customer ID. Can you see here aggregation? Click on this. I'll say I want count distinct. I want only unique count. If I say count, what happens? It will give me the entire count. I think there are some more than 9,000 records. See, this is repeated. Say repeated values also it is taking. So I don't want this. So what I'll do, click on this arrow. Say it says count. Here I'll say count distinct. Count distinct is what? Count distinct means the unique count. I've seen many people writing, DAX functions for this, measure for this. Not required. There are so many easy methods. Not always think I've seen people thinking about, oh, if I have to work on Power BI, then I should know DAX functions, then only I'll be master. It's not that. Keep one thing in mind, people, make things easy. That should be your ideas. Because anyone, say now I'm teaching you something, what you're actually doing with a very complex thing in an easy way. Don't you feel it is nice? Yeah. So you can also feel, you'll also get that confidence that yes, I can also do some dashboards, some dynamic dashboard. Correct. Okay. Done. Next. Next is, what is this? We had orders. Orders, right? I don't know, forgot. Orders, yes. My memory is good. Okay. All right, I'll keep it here like this. Done. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll go here. I'll try to take the order ID. Okay, again, what should I do? Same concept. I'll go here. I'll click on this arrow. Then here I'll go to this aggregation count list. That's it. See how simple we created, how quickly we created. The labels we can create. Suppose if you think I want to have the label here, either I can do this in the image itself, or if you think you have forgotten to take that title or something, I'll go here. Can you see this text box? Select this text box. And I want total sales. I'll say total sales. Let me reduce this. And I'll keep it here. Again, what should I do? Double click. Where is that? It's total sales. Let me select this and let's format it. It is exactly like in PowerPoint what we do. Same thing. I'll go here. I'll take Arial and let me increase this to 16. Okay. Keep it like this. Let me remove the bold. And then we'll go here. We'll remove the background. Shall we reduce some more? Okay, let me make it as 14. Color, if you want to change, you can go here. You can change the color. Done. Just keep it here like this. Done. Done. Now let's copy this thing is in Power BI, the designing is very, complex. That is one big headache actually. Just keep it here. Actually, most of the things what we do is we'll do that in the PowerPoint itself. I'm just keeping it here. Later on, we'll just try to modify it. Let me just keep it here like this. And so this is profit. So we say profit. This is customers. Let's increase this. This is orders. See? Done. 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 Now coming to this, what all reports we have here? Say sales, profit, and orders. Okay, sales, profit, and orders. Now what I'll do, I'll go here. I'll take the sales. This is what based on what they have taken. I think it is based on regions. Okay. Let's go to this region. I'll just click on this region. Okay. And then I'll take this sales. You create the report. Later on, we'll modify. Say, I have this column chart. Can you see this? Let me just keep it here like this. Okay. Now let me go here, double click on this and remove the background. The background is gone. Then select this heading. I'll say I don't want the title. And here we'll select this. Double click so that we get this color. And I'll change this to white color. Select this label and we'll change this to white color. Because the background is dark color, I'm just making it white color. So depending on the colors, you can just change it. So for me, this color is dark, so I'm making it white color. Okay, done. Next, what I'll do, see, copy and paste, move it here. See how simple it is. Only one visualization you have to format. Now go here, just try to change the say this is region. So here instead of the sales, I will take profit. See. Again, you don't have format. Let me copy this. And I'll paste it. Let's say I want the customer, right? Is it customer? Let me check. Okay, orders. So anything. Let me click on this. I will select the column order ID. And then here aggregation will say down distance. Okay. Yeah, you can do format painter also. That's also possible. Okay. All right. See, I've done all this. So if you think you want to add some reports here, you can do that as well. So if you think you want to add some tables or something, you can do that. Now, we understood that how we can actually use these cards, how we can use these icons, then reports. There are so many things what you can actually do. I'm just telling you how we can create the reports. It's a simple thing what we can actually do. Done? Okay. Next is we need to create the filters. What do you mean by filters? Say, here I have so many reports. I need to filter the reports. So what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll click on this. We have something called as slicer. What is slicer? Slicer is an object or say visualization which will help me in filtering the reports. Let me click on this. I'll get one filter like this, that is the slicer. Let me take the order date. Okay, can you see that? Right? Now I'll go here, double click, say I can modify this. Background I'll remove. You can go and check the values. Let's go here and check. Slicer header, we'll make it as white color. If you think you want that to be changed to something like this, then values, we'll make it something like this color. Can you see that? Yeah. So if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. See, like this. So you have the slicer. You can go, you can move this so that you can get the reports. No, this is slicer. This is slicer. It's not an image. It's not an image, people. It's not an image. JPEG or PNG is used only for the images. This is slicer. It's an object. Right. Suppose if you think I want to add one more slicer here. Okay, you can add. Say, for example, I'll take the category. Okay. Let me go here. I'll click on this slicer and I'll say category. I'll just keep it here. I'll just show you how we can change this to drop downs. So here I don't have drop down. I'll just show you how to create a drop down. So if you want to change this to drop down, here we'll go and we'll say reduce all. First we'll remove the background, slicer settings. Can you see that I have this vertical list? Then we have this style and say drop down. See, we can have a drop down. We can change the color. So slicer header, I'll go and I'll change this to Arial black and I'll make it as white color. And then the values, I'll change this to same the yellow color what I've taken. See, make it bold. See. If I want to change the background color, we can do that as well. So I'll go here. I want that to be some black color. See. See. Don't you think it is very easy to create? Yeah. So you can plan accordingly. So what I've shown is a very simple dashboard. Now you can create a lot of things with your own ideas. Okay, so I'll share this dashboard, whatever I've created, this one, and I have some more dashboards. I'll share it with you with the data, so you can practice that. You can create that, and you can take a screenshot, put it in your LinkedIn, and tag me. I'll surely suggest you. There are so many people actually, they keep posting their reports. I've suggested them. You people also should do that. So that actually will give you more confidence. Okay, but for sure, I will surely, if you tag me, for sure, I'll give you some suggestions if you have to improve something, or if you have really done good job, then I'll surely post it in my LinkedIn as well. Okay, right? Got it? So how to create this dashboard, how to use these images. So there are so many things. If I keep telling it, will become like, even if it is like 1 week, also a lot of things to discuss. But I'm just giving an idea how actually you can do this, right? Okay. Next is, so we understood about the background, images, and dashboards. So people, now all of you, okay, I'll just ask you one simple question. You just have to rate yourself. Now you tell me, before this session, okay, you had an idea that Power BI is, something like this. Now tell me out of 1 to 5, okay, people, all of you listen the question and then answer. Out of 1 to 5, now how much you rate yourself about creating the modernized dashboards with very nice, innovative, creative, say background images? 2, Tarun, 2, okay, very informative. Okay, Mohan, why 1? 1 is very bad, 5 is very good. So what do you actually rate yourself? 3.5 to 4, that's good. Varshita, good. Prasad, good, but still you should have confidence, okay? You will get, don't worry. Ankit, Avinash, very good. A to Z. Okay, good. Kusuma, good. So all of you who have, say 1 and 2, I'll just suggest you try to practice, have more confidence. Okay. So nothing to worry about, whether you're doing mistake or not. Work on 1, 2, 3, 10, 100 images you create. You're doing for yourself. You're not going and, selling it. Then after that, I'll tell you, once you get the confidence, no one can stop. It's such easy actually. And people, I'll tell you, these things is more enjoyable actually. You go and you start creating, you will forget everything. You'll be keep thinking about the designs. It is so interesting actually, and you'll enjoy that. Okay, very good. Right. So I can feel, people are getting more confidence about creating the reports, creating the dashboard and things like that. Right. Now what I'll do. Okay. Yeah, Tanmay, correct. After practicing 2, 3 times, this will get converted. 3 to 4 will convert to 5. That is for sure. This is nothing rocket science. People, I'll tell you, this is nothing rocket science. It is very much about interest and confidence. That's all. Maybe there are some reports which might require some dynamic calculations. So that, you'll easily learn, or say it will come to your fingertips. It will come to your mind very easily. Okay. Good. Okay. So I will just try to close this. I will not save this. And this one, I'll just save it. I'm just saving it. Okay. Here I'll say dashboard 3.0. I'll send all these dashboards to you people. Okay. Right. Let me close this. Right. Next is about JSON. What is JSON? How many of you heard about JSON files? Good. Dhanraj knows about JSON. Others? Okay. Not GST. JSON. JSON, not GST. Not talking. I'm not taking any accounts class here. Okay. No idea. JSON. Yeah. JSON. Not Jason. Like Michael Jackson. It's not Michael Jackson. It's JSON. Okay. JavaScript object notation. Very good. There are some people who knows, yes, it's using GST. I don't know actually, what is GST. Okay, anyways, if it is used, it is fine. I'm sorry. Prakash, I don't know in what sense you actually mentioned GST. I'm very sorry about it. Okay, but if it is used, okay, fine. Okay, right. So let's talk about this JSON. People, to tell you very frankly, I'm not so well versed in this JSON files, but I know how to use it. That's all. So you don't have to be master in anything. If you have the idea, if you have the knowledge, that is enough. What is that? Let me tell you. See, here I have some JSON file which I just try to copy it somewhere or try to modify the existing ones or something. Okay. All right. Now let's first understand what this JSON is all about. Okay. Right. So where is that? Themes. So where is that? Okay, I'll just open this. There is one PPT which I've created for you people. Okay, so JSON, someone actually told JavaScript object notation. Okay, say this is a script which can be used in various different ways. This is something like where we can also have some data where we can take the data, but we are using this JSON for modifying or say applying the themes for your Power BI files, the Power BI dashboards. Okay, how to do that? Let me just tell you. See, how is it using Power BI themes? That is, we can customize the look and feel of Power BI reports. Okay, using the formatting pan for each specific visualization. I'll show you practically how to do this. Let me close this. So here, let me open one file for you people. I have one dashboard which I've created, a very simple dashboard. People, all these JSON files, the dashboards, everything I'll put it in one zip folder and I'll put it in the Telegram group. You can download all of it. Okay. So yesterday's also, because I didn't send, because I'll send one file and again people will ask, sir, I didn't get that file. So I'll combine everything and I'll send it to them. Okay. So here I have one dashboard which I've created. Okay. So it's a very simple dashboard where you can see very simple reports here. I want to change the look and feel of it. Now what happens in PowerPoint also, in Word also, in Excel also, we have something called as themes. What are themes? I'll explain. You take your mobile. In that, if you go to settings, there is one something called as themes, correct? If I select that themes, what happens? Right from your background image, your fonts, your icons, everything will get changed. Yes or no? That is themes. Same themes we have in Power BI, even in Word, PowerPoint, everywhere we'll have these themes. If you open this MS Office application, for that also you'll have these themes. So how to use these themes? Let me tell you. Go to this view. Can you see that we have these themes? These are themes, the inbuilt themes. Let me go and I'll click on this. Say, for example, I'll click on this. See? Can you see that? The entire thing, the color of this bars, everything gets changed. Done. Let me go here and I'll select something here. See? Can you see that? Isn't it changing? Automatically it will get changed. Then how this JSON themes, say files are used in Power BI themes. Let me tell you. If you go here, I have just created few of them. It's not I typed it. Very frankly, I'm not so good in this JSON files and things like that. But I know where to modify. Let me go here. Say I have one sample theme here. Let me just right click and I'll say open with Notepad. So this will be your JSON file. This is how it will be, the codes. Now I can go and change the color here. What all colors are there here? The background color, what it should be. Let me go here. Say I have this sample theme. How to apply this? I'll tell you. Say, let's go here. We'll take this Power BI file. I'll click on this theme and here it says browse for themes, theme gallery, then customize current theme, save current theme. Let me click on this browse for themes. It will ask for the path. I'll go here, I'll give the path where I've saved the files. Let's say sample theme. I'll say it's applying. See, can you see that? Got applied. You can see the background image, the colors and everything. So I can go there and I can change the colors with the hexadecimal. So what is that hexa values? Say FF0000. That first one, the first two values, whatever you see. Let me go here and I'll tell you. Right click, open with Notepad. Okay. So here I have this DC, EA, and F5. This is actually the color combination of red, green, and blue. Let me just see. Okay, if I can modify this, I'll say FF 0000. Let me save this. Let me go back. And then I'll try to select the same sample theme. Okay, let's see. Got changed? FF is red. Then again, the middle, what do we see? The 0, that is red, blue, and green. Can you see that? I just changed that FF0000. Nothing but red. Say, select here. Let me select the color. Color, red, more colors. Can you see that? FF0000. That is 255.00. Okay. So you can change it. So whichever color you want, you can go here, you can copy this hexa values and then you can paste that. You can do that. Likewise, there are so many things. Say, if you want to modify this, say, I'll go here, see, customize current theme. Click on this. I'll get one window like this. I can go here, say, for example, I want the text. You can see that I have some text here. I'll go. I want this to be Arial and 12 points. Name and color. Say color. I've given this as red. I want this to be like bluish, some color like this. This one. Say I want green like this. Then the next color I'll say orange like this. Okay. Apply. See. So you look this up customized. So it is taking that. So it'll get changed like this. So you can go here. You can customize it according to your requirement. Understood? So here we have all the colors here. You can go, you can change it. This is how the themes will get changed. Apart from this, if you think I want to browse for more themes, I'll go here. I have this theme gallery. Just click on this theme gallery. It will take me to a website that is freely available themes. See, you can go and you can select. So many themes are there here. I want this theme. Just say view report and scroll down. You can download this. See, JSON. Download. You can use it. Free. Got it? All of you. So likewise, we can make our dashboards, more attractive. More attractive. Right. Let me close this. In the previous session, I was talking about, suppose I want the extra visualization. I have some default visualization. Let me open this. Okay. I just created one small dashboard wherein it shows about when I click on, the buttons, say radio buttons, it will show our Prime Minister of India. So there's nothing calculation or something. It is just about the images, what we actually try to show. Now, how to show those images? We cannot show those images by using any of the options available in Power BI by default. Then how to do that? Let me show you. So for that, we have to take extra visualization. So I'll show you how to do that. That is, we were discussing about the marketplace. Remember? Yesterday I told you I'll show that. Let me show you. Let it get opened. All right. See here. If I click on any of these radio buttons, this is slicer actually what I've used. Okay. Slicer, I've just made it as a single selection. See. Now you might be thinking how the images are changing. This option is not available in Power BI. Then how did I do? So if I click on this, okay, where is that? Somewhere here it will be there. 1 minute. Okay, so somewhere it will be there. I'll just show you. See here, we have this get more visuals. Okay, click on this get more visuals. If I click on this get more visuals, it will take me to the marketplace. This is called as marketplace. See, can you see here? People, all these are freely available. You don't have to pay for that. Some are actually paid, but almost all are free. See, here I want the visualization to show image. I'll go here and I'll search. Can you see that search? Say image. Here is that. We'll have the same. This is one for image. See this one. Simple image. This is what I've used. How to install this? Click on this. It will try to load. Okay. Then I can say add. This will get added to my visualization. So any visualization, see, I'll say add. See, can you see that? Can you see this here? So I'll go to another page, say, see. Then it asks for image URL. So if you have that image URL, just select it. That's it. See. I've not done any selection. So what I did, I'll go here, I'll take this one slicer. Then I'll go here and I'll take the column, say Prime Minister will have all this. See. That's how is it working? That is because I've taken that image, the visualization. Let me go to this table. I'll show you the data how it is. See, for each prime minister, I've given all the image links. Let's click on that image automatically. Right? So you can do lot many things. Let me show you one more interesting thing in this. Say I'll just delete this. Okay. Yeah. This image. Just keep it just to show you. Okay. What all interesting things you can do. I actually wanted to do one dashboard like this, but I didn't have time. But I'll just show you quickly. Here, this canvas is there, right? Let me go here and say canvas settings. Convert this into tooltip. Let me reduce this. And I'll just change this canvas. This one to tooltip. And here settings, I'll say. Now you might be thinking what is doing. I'll just show you what. Okay. So we can add some more information here just to quickly. Let's not waste time. I'll take one table here in one canvas here. I'll just take one table and I'll take prime ministers and let's say birth date. Okay. So now I have this visualization. Let me go to this properties. Here I'll say I want this tooltip. And then, okay, here I have this tooltip. Page 2 is the tooltip what I want to be shown. Let me move my cursor here. Can you see that? I've not formatted it. We can have one formatting, very nice formatting. We can do all this. See, we can do like this. People, there are hundreds of interesting things what you can do within one click like this. Understood? Yeah. That. So this is one thing which I actually couldn't. I wanted to make it one nice dashboard, but I didn't have time. So this is one thing. Okay. Right. So people, how did you feel about this dashboards, designing and things like that? How did you feel? Quickly, just take 1 minute. Then I'll tell you about the PL300. We'll discuss about PL300. Quickly, I want all of you. People have taken so much of efforts. Okay, so much of effort. It's not so easy that I'll just come and just like that tell you. Okay, so I'm just asking your 1 minute. That's how did you people feel? Nice. Informative. Right, people, I'll take all your questions. Don't worry. Okay. I just asked something. How was the session? That's all. Answer my questions. You ask question, then I will answer later. Okay. Right. So people, now all of you stop typing. Let's discuss about the PL3. Most of the people actually are worried about this PL3. Okay. So I want all of you, please stop typing. Please listen. Okay. Right. PL300. First of all, let's understand what this PL300 is all about. Okay. Right. So I have some. Okay. So what is PL300? PL300 is a exam number. It's a code for Power BI data analyst. It is associate. It is not expert. It is associate. Now, if you just go here to this link, okay, there is a link which is given by Microsoft itself. There is one link here. You can see that there are all the informations are available. People, and again, one more thing from February 6th, they are trying to change the format of the paper actually from February 5th, 6th. Okay. So I'll show you that details as well. So if you go here, say, watch PL300 examination prepare videos. They have given free videos as well. Right click. Just go here, see. You can go, you can watch all the videos here. Okay, I'll not play this. You can go and check the videos. So many videos are there. You can watch those videos. Next, study guide. Okay. If you go here, you have all the study guides. So how you can actually prepare, what all things, see, skill measured as of February 6, 2024. So there are some categories, okay. I'll share everything, Kusma, don't worry. I'll share the entire PPT itself. Okay. So what happens? There'll be some categories of examination. Say, for example, category 1, 20 to 25%. Say data modeling, they'll ask 25%. Sometimes what will happen is visualization, they'll ask more percentage. The marks, whatever they are giving, the 1000 marks, the percentage will change. The questions almost it will be similar, but the number of questions, whatever is there, they'll try to divide for say data modeling, visualization, and things like that. So don't worry. So here the skill measure, see, preparing of the data, it is 25 to 30%. Say visualization. So previously this was more actually. So they'll try to adjust. So if you go here for PL300, all the details, whatever is there, okay. So they'll give here. So for these things, whatever is there, I have the links in that Word file. So same thing, I have the links here. So I'll share this guide as well. Okay, keep this with you. So here, so who can take this certificate? I'll not go with again doing all this. You just go through this. So anyone can take certificate if you ask. There are some 10-15 points. In one point, if you ask, anyone can take. That's all I can say. Okay, who wants to do this data analytics, they can take. So what you learn is also there, and let me straight away come here. Yeah, see here. So PL300, it is Power BI Data Analyst Associate. Okay. Then it will be like multiple choice and multiple response questions. And it is 4,800 plus GST. It will come to around 5,664 rupees. That is directly in the website. Then it will be somewhere around 40 to 60 questions and 100 minutes will be there. And English is what we can actually take the exam. The rest all is not required for us. Right? Then 700 is the passing mark. That is 70% is the passing. All right, so skill measured. Can you see this? Model of the data is 30 to 35%. Now the new one, let me go and check what is there. After February, skill measures, model 25 to 30%. Is it the same? Slightly it is different, right? So this is the, as of now, what we have. Say preparing of the data, 25, they've increased here, right? Then model of the data, they've reduced here. Then visualization, it is same, and here they have reduced. Understood? So here I'll give, say, the questions almost it will be same. Thing is, they would have given 2 questions extra, 2 questions less. If you go here, what I have done is I have sat, because when I was preparing for my PL300, okay, long back. So what I did, I just took all the links here. So whatever you see here, okay, see these things. get data, whatever is there. See, get data from different data sources. You can see that. So identify and something. This one, I have given the links where you can go, you can study that. For all the topics, I've given the links here. These are all from Microsoft and various other links. I've just took some time and I've given the links here. This I'll share it with you. You can use this. Okay. Use this for your preparation. So for all the links I've given, you can use this. So reference books, this one is like a bonus which I'm actually giving you. So you can keep that as well. Okay, right. So this is PL 300. You can go to this website. I'll share that link. I'll share that link. So you can go here, a lot of things, a lot of information are available free. And again, if you want to schedule, you can go here, you can schedule this. You can schedule by yourself. For that, you have to pay 5,664 rupees. But the problem is you'll not get all the practice files there. Okay. So you can get all this free, whatever is there, you can get that. And here we have one demo as well. You can take the demo exam as well. Okay. And then here we have some self-paced learning. You can go and you can take this. This is completely free. You can take this. A lot of things are there, but it will take a lot of time for preparation as so. But you can go and you can prepare yours. Okay. So I'll send this link so you can go to this, or you can go and search PL 300. Automatically you will get the link as well. It's not that I have created it, it's from the Microsoft. Okay, all of you done. Why will the refund, Tanmay? Why will the refund? I don't know this question. This is for the examination, you have to pay. I am not sure, but for this, they'll not refund. But if your company is actually providing, then they'll refund you. I am not sure about the AWS and all, because I'm totally zero in AWS. Okay, I don't know. But this is not refundable. That one thing I can say. So people, give me some time. I'll take all your questions. Okay, I'll take all your questions. Right? Okay. So let me finish few more slides. Then after that, we can discuss, we can ask questions, anything you have, any questions you have, you can ask me. Okay. All right. So people, I've just seen that many of you are actually asking about, how to make it full screen. Yesterday. Okay. All right. So people, many of them are actually asking about, I want to learn Power BI. So there were some people actually messaged. So whatever I have taught. Okay. So whatever I have taught you, people, please don't switch on your camera. Please. Okay. Because this is the Zoom meeting. Okay. So it will cover half of your screen with the photos with all your face. Okay. That's why even I am not actually opening my camera. Okay. Right. So most of you actually were asking how much time it will take for learning the entire Power BI. And, they're asking like how to learn and things like that. See, let me just show you in our website. Okay. So here, what you'll be learning. Okay. See here, I have a list of topics and people have already finished your Power BI. Most of you have finished. So there are some new features which have been added. So you can still re-attend the sessions if you want. Because there are some new features which have been added that also have included here. Okay. See here, right from scratch about what is analytics, what is reportings. Then we'll be teaching you about the layouts, then how to actually understand the data source, because we don't only, because I've seen many institutes that teach only the visualizations or some basic of DAX. But what we actually do is we'll go in depth of DAX, that is even advanced DAX functions as well, with the advanced way of using this Power Query editor. So I think most of you have already attended, but there are some more features which have been added. So that also will be adding like we added this dashboard designing, right? So we did a new kind of dashboards. So likewise, we are changing the syllabus as well. So there are so many things, and even this time we'll be including AI and Chat GPT as well. Okay. So people have already registered and people have already taken the class also. You don't have to pay extra for this. You can still attend this. Okay. Right. Next, you can publish the dashboards, work on Power say Power BI service. Okay. So all this will be there. So there are more other topics have been added here. So we'll be keep adding this, and we are also planning for more projects as well this time. Okay. And again, anyways, that internship thing for PwC and more other things, which actually uses Power BI, that also will be included in this batch. Okay. So that preparation is also done. All the notes have been done. So you can attend that batch as well. Okay. Right. Next. So what you get in this course? So here we'll be having a complete. People don't shoot any questions as of now. I will take all your questions. Every questions I'll answer. Please. Okay. All right. So in this course, so we have complete end-to-end Power BI training. So this time we've added even Chat GPT and AI as well. A lot of things have been added there, and a lot of other new features have been added. Okay. So you can get the advantage of it. Okay. All right. Then PL 300 guidance. So what I showed you. So here I'll be giving you some dumps. I'll show you what all things you'll be getting completely free. So Power BI templates will be given, JSON files, Power BI projects, and Power BI books. Let me just show you. Say I will go to that folder where we actually used it for training. I'll show you the projects. Okay, see here. So I have so many JSON files here with the Power BI template. So all these templates, almost see here, the project, you can see that. Yeah, for that background images, the complete projects, whatever is there. See, JSON files. There are around, more than 1,500 templates, projects, and JSON files, which I'll be giving it to you in this particular thing. So people have already attended. Okay, for them also, I'm providing. Okay, so don't worry. Right. Along with that, say the templates. This you can use for any of your commercial purpose. Don't worry. And JSON files, you can use it for your themes. Again, you don't have to worry, it is completely free. And again, we will be giving you the project. There are so many projects within that. So you can keep it for your reference, but don't sell it because that is not commercialized. So you can use it for your reference. But templates and the JSON files, you can use it for your projects, what you are doing. But the project which is already done, don't again sell it, or some people actually do that. They'll try to sell that project. You create your own project similarly, and then you can do. That is fine. That is not a problem. Okay. And we'll be giving you some Power BI books as well. Okay. So there are so many books which I'm actually referring. Almost some 25 plus books are there, right from the basic of Power BI to advanced DAX functions, advanced visualizations. Those things are also there. Okay. Right. So what are the benefits you are joining ITAS? That is, you can attend multiple batches. As I told you, already people have already paid fees and already you have attended one session. So still you can attend. We don't charge extra for that. So multiple batches you can attend. Doubt clearance anyways, will be keep having the sessions now and then. Then you can also get added to our community channel where we can keep having more and more free sessions, not only on Power BI, on all the other tools as. Okay. Right. So project support will be there. There are some people who actually come and get their project supports. That also we do. So for all the courses, whatever we do, pre-recorded videos will be there, and videos for every class. So every class videos will be there for the live class. Okay. And then whatever examples we actually take, that is completely industry relevant scenarios. And I'm bringing so many other projects as well. I'm actually speaking to so many other experts wherein I can get some real-time data as well, wherein we can work on that. That also we are actually talking. Okay. Right. And again, one session of the HR services. Okay, so I told you there is one person who is actually helping me in placement, jobs, and things like that. So who actually registered for this course? Okay, for you people, it is there. I've already spoken. People who are offline here, I've already spoken to her. So, she will be having a session with you people, right from, building your profile, checking your profile and things like that. And also for your job as well. Okay, I've already spoken. Say, though I cannot promise you the guaranteed job, but still I am trying to get something to you so that you people will get placed. Okay, that will be there. So there will be one session where, you can speak to an expert wherein you can get all these job searching strategies and interview tips, preparing your resume, preparing your LinkedIn, making it more, visible and things like that. That I will actually get you people completely for free. Okay. All right. So now, people who are online, how many of you are actually interested to take this course? I have a lot of things to share it with you. So how many of you are actually interested to take this course? So if you think you want to still think and get back to me, you can still get back to me. So if you're interested, so this course, whatever we are actually taking, this will start from next weekend. That is, what is the date next weekend? Okay. 27th. 27th. Okay. So the date will be next Saturday, 12:30. And people, to answer you, okay, this will be an offline class, a live class. So you don't have to again, this is, since it's a workshop, this is a webinar, you people have to chat and then only ask the questions. But people who are joining the course, okay, so they will have a complete access where they can directly ask the questions, bring their projects, bring their doubts and everything. It's an offline class. Either you can take online live class, or you can come to our institute and then you can take the class. This is completely a live class. Either it can be online Zoom class, or the offline class, you can come to our institute. So, right. So people, let me just share the link. I'll just share the link of the course. If anybody is interested, you can please enroll here. I'll just give the link. Okay. So this is the link. So you can enroll. Okay. Right. I will just put it. Okay. So people, meanwhile, okay, if anybody is interested, you can go through this link. And if you think you want to enroll, you can enroll. Now it's your time. You can ask your questions. I will answer one by one. People, you can ask the questions. I will answer one by one. No questions? How to get certificate of this session? Yes. How many weeks is the course? Okay. Right. So first thing, okay. So people wants the certificate. I'll give you the link here. You have to fill this link. So there is one small form where you have to fill this. I will get you the certificate. So people who fill this details by end of day, say at least by 11 o'clock evening, this evening only I can give the certificate, because I cannot wait for too many days. So till 11 o'clock, I'll allow you people to fill this form, so that I can give you the certificates. Okay, right. How many weeks is the course? So Binal, the course is actually around 16 to 20 hours. So it will take at least 4 to 5 weekends. Power BI internship free available with the data science package. Yes, you have that free internship with data science package. It is there. Sudeep Chaudhary. Power Apps and Power Automate, I am already on the process of it, Sudeep. So I need some time because a lot of things to get prepared. For sure, this will be started soon. I cannot tell you the date, but Power Apps and Power Automate will be started. Is exam conducted after course? Which exam you're talking, Anik? Which exam you're talking? PL 300 you're talking about? Yes, Chat GPT is there. I showed you Chat GPT and the AI also will be included in this. PL 300, it's good if you take after the course. If you want, before that, you let me know. I have different arrangements for that. I can help you. Okay. Do I get support even after I finish the course? For example, access to offline? Yes. So people, Minal and others, as I told you, this will be a live class. Either you can take Zoom or you can come offline. Every class will be recorded. I have mentioned here. So every class will be recorded and this will be shared with you. And there'll be pre-recorded videos also, which is lifetime access. And again, people who register, they'll get multiple batches. They can attend any number of batches. How to create effective dashboards using Python? Yeah, sorry, people, I actually forgot to tell you. This time, there was one request actually from one of our students, Anil, not Anil, one more. Okay, so he wanted to learn about the Python, implementation. Yes, Python will be included in this. Sorry, I forgot to implement that. So Python also will be included in this. That is Python scripting we can use in, say, Power BI. So that also will be included in this. Gauss, this is actually a weekend batch. Weekdays batch, I can actually let you know. This is weekend batch. But weekdays, I will check and I'll let you know the schedule. So you can keep in touch with Suma. I'll give her number. I'll give Suma's number. If people can keep it. 90 Yeah. So you can keep this number. You can speak to her. She will guide you. Okay. So people, how many of you registered? If you still, I'll give the link. You can register. This is the link you can register. So you people, any questions? You can also ask questions. How do I include AI and people? I don't know Python. But for that, you should know Python. Then again, don't teach me Python. Yeah. So people, I'll just explain about the course. Let me go here. Okay. So people, it is 12,390 rupees. Okay. This is live class. It is not just a videos or something. It is a live class. Okay. And you will have multiple batches, unlimited access for the batches, offline classes, as well as the Zoom link. And also every class will be recorded and it will be given to you. And if you have any questions, any project support, we will be there to help you. Okay. And people who wants to take, say there is one more offer for you people. Right. So we have something called as e-learning videos. Here it is just 399 rupees. You'll get all the videos, but here we don't support you. You just have to learn. It is called as self-learning. We have one more option that is blended, where we'll give all the videos, and this will be only online support where you can ask us any doubts. So here we don't take any class. If you have any doubts, we'll clear your doubts so that you can learn by yourself, and also you'll get this support for clearing your doubts. And what I am talking about is the live classes. This you have a lot of advantages. That is, you can attend multiple batches. You'll have doubt clearance sessions, project support, pre-recorded videos, videos of every classes, and also industry relevant scenarios we'll be teaching. That is because we'll be keep updating, in every classes. Right. Prasad, you can speak to Suma regarding the discount because I'm not the concerned person. So you can speak to Suma. Okay. you can call this number and speak about the fees details. So whatever is there on screen, I'm just telling you because I'm not authorized to change anything there. So I'm just giving you these three options. Anybody wants to go for these three options, you can go. But this is what I'm talking about. This is for the live sessions. You can also come to our institute. You can bring your projects. You can bring any of your doubts. We are there to clear your doubts as well. Tejaswini, Tableau, and Power BI both are equal. I can give one offer for everyone who are joining for this Power BI live class. I can give you the Tableau course completely free. That is 2 or 3 classes completely free. This is from my side because Tableau is very easy. If anybody enrolls today for Power BI, for sure, the Tableau course I will give you completely free. 2 or 3 classes I'll give. That you can take. Anyways, I have to do for my batch, data science people, so I can merge and I can take the class. Prasad, completely free is for Tableau, not for Power BI. If you are registered for Power BI, I can teach you Tableau. I can take 2 or 3 classes completely free. This is very good. They just finish. Take Tableau class. Then you pay for Tableau, then I'll teach you Power BI free. Nothing. I was just kidding. So Tejaswini, what I was telling is people who register for Power BI, so I'll be giving them an offer for Tableau classes free. Okay, that's what I was telling. Don't get confused. So what more beneficial, Tableau or Power BI? See, I'll tell you people, Priyanka, I'll tell you about that internship because still it's not planned. I'll tell you about that. Right, people? So I have more links to share. So people, anybody wants to, be in the community to get more information about free classes, you can join our community channel. So these are community channel. If anybody wants to follow me in LinkedIn, so this is my LinkedIn profile. So this, I'll be sharing it with you. And anybody wants to have all the free videos, this YouTube channel, you can go, you have a lot of free videos. And this is my Instagram page. Okay. Prasad, I'll take the feedback later. Okay. People, certificate link again, I'm sharing for the people. I'll share that in the group. Okay. So just check that. So people, please fill this certificate details so that you'll get the certificate. 11 o'clock is what I'll give the time. After that, I'll freeze it because I need time to, create all the certificates and send it to you people. Okay. Right. So people, again, so here you have 3 different options for learning this Power BI. And as I promised, so if anybody is taking this Power BI and registering, I'll be giving you the Tableau class completely free. So I can take the sessions for you people. That is 2 or 3 classes I'll take, but you can learn Power BI, sorry, this Tableau class as well. Okay. So still you have any questions, you can ask me. Chat GPT, I will be taking along with this, Power BI. It's not a separate class. For Power BI, I'll tell you how to use Chat GPT and AI for Power BI class. It's not a separate class. Yes, Prasad, that's what I was telling. Chat GPT and AI will be included in the Power BI class. It's not a separate class. Can you see that? Power BI with AI and Chat GPT. It's not a separate AI and Chat GPT what I'm taking. Already you have done Power BI, Priyanka. Priyanka, where have you done in ITAS? Okay, no worries. You can still attend the sessions. People who are from ITAS who already paid for the complete Power BI sessions, you are still eligible. I told you in ITAS, we have the policy that you can attend any number of batches. Okay, Priyanka, don't worry. So you can attend the session again for ChatGPT and AI as well. There is no extra cost. Okay. People who are there from ITAS, you don't worry. You can actually attend the sessions without paying even single rupee. Okay, right, people. Again, I'm sharing the link for the registration of Power BI sessions. There'll be a lot of things to learn. So next week, that is next weekend, 12:30 to 2:30 is the same time. You'll have the session, so you can start attending. Where is ITAS located? It is in Rajaji Nagar, Bangalore. People can visit here also because we have our own institute as well. So, is someone registered? Then the person can join any batch of any subject. If someone register, then that person can join any batch of any subject. It's not like that, Sudeep. So if you are joining for Power BI, you can attend for Power BI, but you still have, you can join anytime. It's not that you have to join now only. That I can tell you. But any subject, I didn't understand. Okay, so you can register, but you can attend. If you're not able to come for this batch, you can still attend for next batch as well. So people, I also give you one link. Okay, this is the Google review. So I would like people have taken so much of efforts. So if you think now you want to give some review on Google, so you can give Google review as well here. Okay, right. So I'll be sharing all these materials. Along with that, I have some free bonus. So here I'll show you the bonus here. So now it's time for the bonus for all of you who attended till now. So I have all these books which are actually useful for preparing for PL 300 and also advanced dashboarding. Advanced, say you can see that I have one DAX function I have not mentioned here, but I'm giving one DAX complete book actually with examples. Okay, there are some 21 chapters with high-end DAX. It's a professional version DAX that I'll be sharing it with you. You can keep it for your reference. Okay. All right. So this will be your certificate and you can join the community. I'll be sharing this PPT with this link. You can join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. So the advantages, you'll be getting all the materials. You'll be getting a lot of, free books. I'll be sharing a lot of free videos as well, free courses as well, and also some free sessions as well. Okay, you can join this community. And here we have the links for following me in LinkedIn and also the ITAS LinkedIn. Okay. All right. So thank you so much, people. I'll just take one more minute of all of you. So how was this session? So finally, so it is left to you now. How was this session? The entire session, 2 day session? Quickly, I want you people, I just take 1 minute. You can post your reviews here as well in Google review. Thanks, Tanmay, A to Z. Thank you. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Prasad. Okay. Thank you all. Sanika, Varshita, Narain. Okay. How can we get the material? I told you, you can get the material in this link. Okay, you can join the community link. I'll share all the materials. Join the community link. So here I'll be sharing all the links. Join this WhatsApp group. So there you'll get our Telegram link as well. So I'll share the Telegram link as well. One. So this is our Telegram link. So you can join them. Okay. Right, people. Thank you so much. So you can give the reviews here in the Google as well. And again, people, again, I'm sharing this certificate link. Please take the certificate link, fill the form. Okay. Right, people, thank you so much. See you guys in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.